My brothers and my sisters, my fellow American friends, what does the assassination of Charlie Kirk mean for America? What does it say about our culture and about our people? I'm Persian American. I was born in Iran and lived most of my life in America. So I consider America as my home. And my home is being torn apart. Hatred in the heart of people has been growing over time. Now, the conflict in ideology has been increasing. Extreme ideologies are becoming common. People are falling into the far left or the far right without tolerance for one another. No matter if you believe in what Charlie Kirk said or you're against it, what matters is that we should not resort to violence. And for those who are Republican and like Charlie Kirk and what he said, please do not hate the left. It was not all the left that did this, it was one person. And there were few who celebrated, which is wrong. But don't let their misbehavior increase the hate you have in your hearts. That will not solve our country's problem. And my fellow brothers and sisters on the left, please do not celebrate such a dark event. Whether his approach to a better future was correct or incorrect does not matter. What matters is that silencing him by assassination is not the right way to go and should not be supported. If you kill one from the right, what happens if the right kills one from the left? Are we going to retaliate against each other over and over again? Mahatma Gandhi once said, "Eye for an eye, leave the whole world blind." Revenge is not the way to go. Hatred and resentment is not how we're going to fix our problems. We have to find the middle way. We cannot turn all Republican to be Democrat, and not all Democrats will become Republican. We have to find ways to meet in the middle. We have to set aside our extreme ideologies, especially in politics. In personal life, you can believe whatever you want, that's fine. But when it comes to society, to culture and politics, we have to find a middle ground. However, today, everyone is voting for what they believe is right, and they completely disregard the other side. Country of 300 million people plus, not going to unite by understanding one ideology. We will have different ideologies no matter what. The only way to peace is to have respect for each other's belief system. Whether it's a difference in religion, difference in politics, difference in culture, it does not matter. We have to respect one another and not resort to violence. We should develop more understanding for one another, for different classes, for different belief system. You're Christian, respect the Muslim. You're Muslim, respect the Jew. You're a Jew, respect the Buddhist. You're right, respect the left. If you're left, respect the right. You don't have to succumb to their ideology and believe what they believe, but you can learn to respect it. And when we respect one another, when we learn to not try to put each other down, and rather than trying to win an argument, learn to have conversation, taking one step closer to the other side. So those on the other side would take a step closer to us. Now, most of the conversations are more of an argument. Each side is trying to crush the other side, whether through logic, through reasoning, through facts, but it's not helping us. It has not been helping our country. America is a great country, but it's losing its edge. And the hatred in the heart of people, if it continues the way it does, if it grows the way it has been growing, it will tear our country apart. We should try to find a way to unite through our differences, not try to punish the other side or suppress them or overpower them. That's not the way to go. We will never win. Fighting among ourselves, not going to be good for anybody. You have to find another way. I'm asking you all, please choose love rather than hate. Choose peace rather than conflict. Choose order rather than chaos. I want America to thrive. I want every country to thrive. You're all my brothers and my sisters. No matter what you believe, I'll respect you and I will love you. And I hope you love your brothers and your sisters too. That's the only way we can find a solution that works for all. Through love, through cooperation, not competition. Let Charlie Kirk's death be a lesson for all of us. To never repeat the history in the same manner. Let it remind us that conflict and hatred will not solve our problems. If you're on the left, show your condolences to your friends on the right side. If you're on the right, don't hate your friends on the left. Don't let this event be the reason to hate one another more, to create the chasm of hatred and anger between us. Let this be a lesson that animosity towards one another will never end if we continue giving into our hatred and anger that we have stored in our hearts. Let's replace it with love, with compassion, with understanding for one another. I hope one day our country truly become better, where people get along regardless of their ideology, regardless of their belief system, and regardless of the way of life. Until next time, my brothers and my sisters, love and peace be upon you.